Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to walk you through how to add a website hotspot to your simple booklet. This feature lets you make any area of your page clickable and link it directly to an external website. Perfect for product pages, sign-up forms, social media, or any resource you want to drive your audience to. So we're going to get started here today on the simple booklet dashboard. And we're going to select the booklet that we want to add a hotspot to. Once we've found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Edit tab. And then before we add it here, it's important to choose the page where you want to add your link. So you can flip through and decide where you want to add your hotspot. And then once you've found it, you can go ahead and click on the hotspot button in the left-hand toolbar. And from the drop-down menu, we're going to select Website. And then we're going to go ahead and enter our website URL that we want our hotspot to link to. And then from here, we can choose how it opens. So we can select whether we want the link to open in a lightbox, a new tab, or the current tab, depending on your goal and how you want your audience to engage. And once you're happy with everything, go ahead and click on the Save button. And then from here, we're just going to drag and resize the hotspot to cover the clickable area of your page. So you click on it here, your hotspot will automatically be placed in the middle here. Just one click. You can drag and drop it anywhere on your page. So for example, now if someone clicked on the appetizers lettering here, they would be taken to my link. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can go ahead and preview your booklet to see how it would look. As you can see, there's our hotspot right there. And then it takes us directly. I just put this here just for tutorial purposes, but as you can see, it takes me directly to the URL that I entered there. Adding a website hotspot enhances the engagement and action stages of the reader's journey. It gives your audience a direct pathway to take the next step, whether that's learning more, signing up, or making a purchase, making your simple booklet not just informative, but interactive and results driven. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simple Booklet. Thanks for watching.